Hi viewers, today you are watching the kitchen garden ideas, vegetable gardening, different ideas. You are watching different ideas for plantation for the kitchen items, different vegetables plant. You are watching a new idea, small area plantation garden. You are watching the another idea of the plantation with the wooden planks. You are watching tomato plants in a small pot. You are watching the wooden planks made plant pot. You are watching another idea of the plantation uh, trails. You are watching the with wall wooden flower pots and vegetable pots, plant pots, uh, different vegetables. You are manage in the small area. You can manage the vegetable garden in small area, rooftop and small indoor outdoor area. Another idea, you are watching the plantation, vegetable plantation in the bamboos, which you are watching the stairwise uh, plantation. You are watching sunflower plant in the garden. You are watching stairwise small area plant pot in the garden. You are watching the deer garden trails, how to manage the trails. You are watching the strawberry plants plantation in the bamboos. You are watching the vegetables, tomatoes and other plants, vegetables. You are watching plants in the shopper bag. You are watching tomato plants planted in the plant pot. You are watching different vegetables planted in the garden. You are watching old bottles, plastic bottles reuse in for the vegetable plantation. You are watching the grapes plants. You are watching some flowers and vegetables small area with the wall. You are watching the onion plants in plastic bottles. You are watching the strawberry plants planted. You are watching some plants planted in bamboos uh, in the garden. You are watching the heart shape for the tomato plants. You are watching the another idea, small place, the salad plant. You are watching